In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress PDF in PDF24. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to click on Compress PDF over here inside your toolbox, and then you have to choose the file you wish to compress. So I'm going to click on it, I'm going to select the file here, and I'm going to click on Open. Now, when you do this here, it's going to basically allow you to select how many DPI you want, so that's dots per inch. Of course, you could go ahead and play with this if you want to, it's completely up to you. You could also do like a bunch of different compressions and then see which one is the best and use that one, and of course change the DPIs and qualities as well. And here you also have the image quality, so as you can see from 0 to 100, now of course the closer to 0 that is, the less the size is going to be. So of course it's up to you whichever one you want to do. I'm going to keep it like this, and then the color, it could be gray or no change, and by default this one is 5.2 megabytes as you can see. And if I now click on the compress button here, it's going to start compressing, and there we go. As you can see, it went from about 5 megabytes into 636.14 kilobytes, which is actually very, very good. So that's it, and then you have to save it to your computer and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.